So we have got a package. This is from Myntra, and let's see what all things it contains. So we have to remove all these seals here. It's kind of a different packing knife. Let's open it from this side. Oh my god. So it's Jordan. So this particular model is Air Jordan 6 Retro Varsity Red Black. And the box is made in China. And these are the information on the back side. Import and manufactured in December 22nd. Kind of old stock, and the MRP if you see it's 18,395 rupees. We have all the different Nike logos, and then we have the Jumpman. Box is little bit damaged this side, but I think that's fine. Let's quickly jump into the shoes. So this is our Jordan. So if you see, feels like suede material here, but it's leather. This is basically the side profile. This is back. We got the Jordan logo with an air there on the right. See, we have the air pocket and typical Jordan IC show. And we have a Jumpman logo over here. You can see the sole, the Jumpman logo here as well. Let's check the other. So this red looks little off than the actual color. Hope you are able to see that. And still see some glue residue here. If you see here as well. So maybe the quality is degrading over time, but it's just Jordan. So let me know your views on this, if you liked it or it's too much red for your liking. I think I wanted a red, so it will help. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.